Hello, thank you for checking out the video. My name is Maya and my channel is all about health, wellness, fashion and beauty. And today I'm going to be taking you through one of my really quick reviews about a wonder product that I found on my local high street. I do this all the time. I ran in there on a squeeze one day. I knew what I was looking for, but when I found it, I was like, this is a little bit pricey for Superdrug, but I thought to myself, let me give it a go, and honestly, I have not looked back. And that product is the NYX Bright Maker Primer. Now, what I really love about this, it's quite pricey for a drugstore product. It's £15 from Superdrug. And I'll be honest, like, I'm not used to paying that sort of price for products that I find in Superdrug. So that was a bit of a surprise, but honestly, I've had no regrets. I've had this tube for about, I remember the day that I bought it, it was the 26th of June. So yeah, I've had it for quite a while, and I've used it literally every single day. So what's the date today? It's the 12th of September. So it's lasted me about 10 weeks already. So yeah, not bad at all. Anyway, so what it is, it's a brightening primer. And if you've been watching my videos for a little while, you'll know that one of my main skin issues is hyperpigmentation. Now, I'm coming to you today with a completely bare face, so you can see exactly where the issues are on my face. I'm in different lighting today as well with a new camera. So I actually think that it's going to show even more than usual. But if anything, it's just going to show you how good this product really is. Now, the way that I use it is I literally, after I've done my cleanse and moisturize and SPF, I pop it on just around the areas that I need it. I'll just come in and show you exactly. I'm about to film another video, so I haven't done my makeup yet. So I thought I'd just show you the real authentic product. So I use it around the mouth because that's where I get the most hyperpigmentation. And then I just take it down the bridge of my nose and on the center of my forehead as a bit of a highlighter to bring the center of the face forward, because that's what we always want to do when it comes to applying makeup and contouring. So that's how it looks with just the primer on. And to be honest, if I'm just running out to work, or if I'm running to the gym or something like that, first thing in the morning, all I do is put on my eyebrows and my primer and I'm good to go. It makes me feel confident enough that it gives me enough sort of like coverage, even though it's got no pigment in it at all. The light reflecting particles just make everything look a little bit brighter. And obviously you can still see imperfections shining through, but it kind of just looks like, you know, my skin on a good day sort of thing. That is the result. So as you can see, you can still see some of the pigmentation, but it just seems to like diffuse it and make it look a little bit improved. So I really like that. The second thing I really like about it is the fact that once I put my makeup on, the makeup stays all day. And so as well as having that brightening property to it, it really does act as a primer as well. So it just helps your makeup to sort of like grip onto your face for the whole day. I won't call myself high maintenance in the way that I sort of like reapply my makeup throughout the day or touch myself up throughout the day. I do my stuff in the morning and I kind of need it to stay there until the end of the day. So this product I found really helps with it, along with some of the other things I will go into on another video about how to keep your skin looking fresh and shine free for the whole day. But for now, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'll see you next time.